Good day students, this is mathematics class for grade 10 chapter 6 triangles. Exercise 6.3 page number 140 of your mathematics textbook. Problem number 7. In figure 6.38 altitudes are nothing but the heights. Altitudes A, D and C, E of triangle ABC intersect or they cross each other at the point P. So now this is a triangle ABC and we have the altitudes AD and CE. That is AD is perpendicular to BC and then CE is perpendicular to AB. So here we have this is 90 degree as well as this one is 90 degree since they are perpendicular. And now we have to prove that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. So this triangle is similar to this triangle. We need to prove this. So now in triangle AEP and in triangle CDP, we have a 90 degree angle here, that is angle D, that is in small triangle. What about in this triangle? So this angle is 90 degree. So what about this angle? It will be also equal to 90 degree. Why? Because it forms the linear pair here and they are perpendicular to each other. If this is 90, this is 90. So 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. So here in this triangle AEP, we have angle E, that is AEP equals to 90 degree and we have angle CDP equals to 90 degree. So let me name these angles. This one as angle 1 and this as angle 2. So first one in triangle AEP and triangle CDP, we have in triangle AEP which angle we have? Angle 2 is equal to angle 1 of triangle CDP. So what is the reason? Reason is each 90 degree. And then what about these two angles, students? These two angles. If the angles are like this, they are called as the vertically opposite angles. You get two pairs of vertically opposite angles. That is, this is one pair and this is one pair. So we have, let us, in these triangles, let us take into consideration these angles. These are the vertically opposite angles. That is, let me name these angles as this as angle 4 and this as angle 3. Angle 3. So here we have angle 4 of triangle AEP is equal to angle 3 of triangle CDP. And what is the reason? They are the vertically opposite angles. And now look here. In two triangles, if you have two corresponding angles equal, that is, if this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle, even the third angle will also be equal. Okay, so by angle criteria, we can say that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. By angle criteria, we can say that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Now let us solve the second one. Triangle ABD. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Now, in both this triangle, we find the common angle. Okay, the common angle which is for both the triangles, that is triangle ABD and triangle CBE, is angle B, isn't it? So, in triangle ABD and triangle CBE, angle B is equal to angle B. So it is a common angle. And then in both these triangles, now in triangle ABD, so this angle was, that is CDP, was 90 degree. So if this is 90 degree, even this also will be 90 degrees, isn't it, students? So let me name this angle, and then in ABD, yes, in ABD we have this angle, the right angle, and in triangle CBE we have this angle which is 90 degree. Now let me name this angle as 5 and this as 6. So here in triangle ABD, we have a right angle, that is angle 6 is equal to, in triangle CBE we have angle 5, each 90 degree. So then here we have two corresponding angles of both the triangles equal, isn't it, students? So what about the third angle? So in triangle ABD we have the third angle, that is this one. Okay, so this angle will be equal to the angle C of triangle CBE, that is the third angle. So again, by angle criteria, we say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Is this clear, students? Yes. And in this problem, 7th problem, we have two more sub questions, that is third one and the fourth one. So these are the homework problems. Thank you, students.